Hi, everybody. It's Tereese. Good morning. It is about 7 o'clock in the morning on a Tuesday. Um, I wanted to come on real quick. I forgot to mention I had shared this crochet set on my last video, and I said I was going to come back and explain why I bought two. I don't need two, obviously. I wanted to do a quick giveaway. Um, and I would send this to you if you crochet. If you don't crochet, then, or if you want to learn to crochet, um, this might help. I mean, the directions um, is not all that great. I mean, it gives you the steps to put this together, but if you don't know how to single crochet or, do the infinity, what is it called? The infinity ring? Hold on a sec. Uh, what is it called? Adjustable ring. Then, you may need to watch videos on YouTube to do it because I had to. Because I don't crochet constantly where I would know the stitches by heart. I'm a self-learner. I watch a lot of YouTube videos of how to crochet, and my mom taught me how to crochet. So if you're interested in getting this little butterfly crochet project, all I need you to do is, let's see, put in the comments, something easy. I don't want anything. Oh, if you're interested in getting this item, this little crochet, and if you know how to crochet, let's see. What is it's what do you craft the most? Like I craft mostly cards, because I send cards out to family and friends. So what do you like to craft a lot of, like 3D boxes, mini albums, um, crochet, you love to crochet blankets or crochet hats for those little marshmallow things. I've done a couple of them, but they're not all that great. Like I said, I'm not an avid crocheter. I crochet whenever I feel like crocheting or I'm inspired to crochet. So anyway, so yeah, just put that in the comments and I'll do a random picker or I'll pull names and then you'll receive this. 'Cause I swear I have not seen these. I think maybe some people have shared it. But for, you know, I just saw this. So this may not be new. This may not be a new item in Dollar Tree, but it was new to me. Never saw it before. And I thought, yeah, I'll buy two and then I'll give one away. So thanks everybody for watching. Have a great week. Tomorrow is my daughter's move-in day. Oh my God. I'm getting nervous. I'm, kind of feeling, sad. But she's not that far away from us, so she'll be fine. So I want to thank everybody for stopping by today. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're, a long-time subscriber, thank you for continuing to watch my videos and commenting. If you're new and you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Hopefully I'll interest you in more videos in the future. So thanks everybody. Have a great week and I'll see you next time. Bye now.